Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your account was permanently banned due to multiple violations on TikTok. If you're using TikTok and you're facing the issue that your account was banned due to multiple violations, let's see how can you easily fix or how can you unban your banned TikTok account. So you have a simple way, you have to simply open your browser here, search for unban TikTok account, you have to simply search for this and then open the first website from here. And here just scroll down and look for the option of contact us. Here you'll get the option. You just have to tap on this and then select a topic from here. I'm going to select the very first account access and security. Then select category. I'm going to select recover account. Then add your username here and then enter your date of birth. Then enter your country and city. Enter your linked email or phone number, and then you have to enter your device which was used to log in your TikTok account. So here, yeah, you can also try to add your linked account if you don't have any linked account. So you can skip this one, and here you have to enter your contact email. So you just have to enter an active email which you are still using or on which you can get responses. So here enter that, then enter your details that your account was being disbanded or your account was banned and now you want to disband that. So let's see how you can do that. You have to enter a simple description here. Once you have added, simply tap on this upload option and then select your screenshot. This is optional, you can skip this one, and after that you have to also enable these two and then tap on the submit option and your request will be submitted to TikTok support. And after that TikTok support will answer you in up to 24 hours or sometime it might be 72 hours. So you must have to wait for that, and once you get the response your account will be automatically disbanded. So in this way you can easily unban your TikTok account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.